What's up guys, this is Kumar. Welcome back to the React tutorial. So if you guys haven't watched the past two tutorial videos in React series, then just go ahead and watch it out because those are the fundamentals for this video. So the first topic is about React fundamentals and the second topic is about React hooks. Now we get to the third topic, which is useState, the state hook. So before getting started, if you guys are new to my channel, then just go ahead and subscribe to my channel so you won't miss any tutorials in the upcoming series. So let's get started. So this code is nothing but which we have done in the first tutorial video of the React series. Video topic is about React fundamentals. If you haven't watched it, I will provide the link in the description. Then just go ahead and have a look at it. So here I have just created a header component. In this header component, I just have a h1 tag and p1 tag and a button to showcase the on-click event, and I have a counter variable with a value of 0 and I'm just incrementing it on click and I'm just console logging it. So if I click here to increment button, the value is getting incremented here. So like so, if I hit it, the value is incremented up to 6. So but if I print the value here, the h1 tag called counter, so now if I hit the button, the value is not getting incremented here, but the value is incremented in the console log. Why it is not getting updated here? If you guys know the answer, then just comment it down. Let me see who knows the answer correctly. So this is because of we didn't use state. So what is a state? I have explained it in the previous video called React hooks. So just check it out. I have also provided the link for that video in the description. So we will change this counter variable to a state variable called const. I'm going to have a square bracket which I will explain it later. Counter variable and set counter, so which is equals to useState, and I'm going to give a default value of 0. So here we have to import useState from React like so. So now we have declared a counter variable of a state variable of counter and with a default value of 0. Now since useState is immutable, we can change the counter value directly. We can change the counter value through this set counter variable. So now I'm going to increment it through the set counter and I'm going to pass the counter plus 1 as a parameter. So now the counter variable is got assigned an incremental value by a set counter with a parameter called counter plus 1, which just increments the value of counter. So now I'm just going to console log it outside the function so that we can have a good visual. So now you guys can see the value is 0 and in the console log it is also 0. If I hit the button, the value is incremented in the console log and in the web page like so. So this is how we can use state in React hook. So now you guys have a confusion that why I'm using a square bracket here. This is nothing but array destructuring. like consider a state, a useState is a array with two values. The first value is assigned to the counter and the second value is assigned to the set counter. So now what parameters you can pass inside useState? You can have boolean values, you can have int value, you can have a string, or you can have an array. So now let me just showcase how array works inside useState. So now I'm going to have another variable called array with a set array, which is equals to useState of so I'm passing an empty array into the useState as a parameter. So now I'm just incrementing the counter value around here, and then I'm going to include this counter value inside this array. So now I'm going to pass the counter value inside the array by set array of an array with already existing elements, comma, the new value called counter. So now I'm not going to print the counter. Here I'm going to print the last value of the array by array of array dot length minus 1. Array dot length provides the total length of the array, which minus 1 gives the index of the last element, and array of the last index gives the last element. So and I'm going to print just it. So now and here I'm going to console log the array. So now if I hit the button, the value is 0. Here the value is 0. Now if it hit it again, the value is 1 here, and the value is 0 1. I can do it a number of times. So now the value is 7, and we have 7 in the array also. So now how it actually works: I have declared an state variable first with an empty array. Now I am going to give the value for array through the set array by passing the parameters within an array. So now this 3 dots an array, which means the already pre-existing elements in the array, and I am going to have another new element called counter. So now I have pushed these values into the array variable, and I am just printing it around here, and I am just console logging it around here. That's it. If I hit the increment button, it will just increment the values. That's it. So that's it for this video, guys. Please make sure you have subscribed to my channel so that you won't miss the upcoming videos, and the next video's topic is going to be use effect. So if you like this video, hit the thumbs up button. Thank you for watching this video, guys.